Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important magnetism that is quoted your syllabus CSIR statistical mechanics. Actually, this magnetism topic will come under the SSP, that is solid state physics. According to your syllabus, we call it as a condensed matter physics. But even though they quoted in the statistical mechanics, so I told about the diamagnetism, paramagnetism, ferromagnetism. Now I am coming into the antiferromagnetism also. So based on these three magnetisms, one question I am uploading you. So this question you have to see. Total 5 magnetisms are there. One is diamagnetism, second one is paramagnetism, the third one is ferromagnetism, the fourth one is antiferromagnetism, the fifth one is ferrimagnetism, that is the ferrite. Clear? So now we are going to discuss about the one GATE 2018 question. What is that question you have to see? At high temperature magnetic susceptibility, at high temperature magnetic susceptibility of solids having ions with magnetic movements can be described by how they are describing. Chi is directly proportional to 1 by T plus theta. Chi is directly proportional to 1 by T plus theta with temperature. As absolute T is as a absolute temperature and theta is the constant. The three behaviors, one is paramagnetic behavior. So what is that behavior? Paramagnetic behavior. For a paramagnets, so what is the rule? For the susceptibility for high temperature is directly proportional to 1 by T. This is the Curie's law. Which law it is? This law we call it as a Curie's law. Curie law, this law, right? So therefore, so theta is equal to, what will get from this, what we have to write it is theta is equal to 0. In this expression we have to keep theta is equal to 0. Now the second one you have to see, what is the second one? Ferromagnetic material. For a ferromagnetic material, for a ferromagnets, so for a higher temperature, chi is directly proportional to 1 is divided by T minus theta. So this is the, this law we call it as a Curie-Weiss law. Which law it is? This law we are going to call it as a Curie-Weiss law. Based on this expression, what we have to write it is theta is less than 0, that is the minus theta. Now you have to take a, for a antiferromagnetic material, for antiferromagnets, what is your formula? Your chi for high temperature, your chi is directly proportional to 1 by T plus theta. 1 by T plus theta. This law we call it as a molecular field theory. This theory we call it as a Niels law. This temperature theta we are going to call it as a Niels temperature, that is T is greater than 0 because T is positive only. So based on that you have to see, for a paramagnet, once you have to take for a paramagnets, for a paramagnets, your theta is equal to 0. For a ferromagnets, for a ferromagnets, your theta is less than 0. For a antiferromagnets, for a antiferromagnets, your theta is greater than 0. Clear? So this is your answer. So for paramagnet corresponding, this is wrong. So this one is wrong. So which option is correct? For paramagnet, theta is equal to 0. For ferromagnet, theta is less than 0. For antiferromagnet, theta is greater than 0. For para is correct. For ferro is wrong. So for antiferro also wrong. So that's why option A wrong, option B wrong, option C wrong, option D is correct. So like this you have to do in your competitive examination. Each and every video I am informing about our institution. Our institution will give the CSIR and GATE physics content coaching to you. So our we have one app, that is Quantum Online Academy app is there. This is the Quantum Online Academy app. This is our mobile number 9908437460 mobile number. Sometimes this mobile number is not available. So this is our institute, Quantum Online Academy YouTube channel also we have. So that's why every day one video I am uploading in our YouTube channel also. CSIR and GATE course appear like this, JL physics course will appear like this, DL physics course will appear like this. Not only that, individual papers also available. Mathematical methods of physics we finish, classical mechanics we finish, electromagnetic theory we are finishing, quantum mechanics we are finishing. Now we are teaching the statistical mechanics. Clear? So maybe couple of days, after 4-5 days we are going to be finished the statistical mechanics also. Till now we have 5 papers available for recorded mode. 4 more papers I need to teach every day morning in our app 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Every day in our app 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. there is a live class, right? So evening also 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. there is one more live class is there corresponding to these papers. Clear? So please share and subscribe and like our YouTube channel. We are preparing the SET, NET or GATE or any competitive exam, JL, DL or Polytechnic or JEST or GRE or UPSC physics also. After finishing this CSIR course, I have to start that one also. So please try to encourage us and inform to your friends. So thank you.